What's up, everybody? You already know how it go. It is your boy B back with another video, and guys, today I'm excited because we got a package and I want to show you guys exactly what's in the package. I also want to shout some people out during this video. If you guys placed your order, I want to say thank you. If you placed your order on IamHustlersMindset.com or CWplug.com, I just want to say thank you. And also, guys, if you don't know what these websites are, IamHustlersMindset is where.com is where you can get all the educational. CW Plug is where you can get all of the wholesale electronics and products for you to resell. And guys, I just want to say, number one, I'm back in the States. I was out of the state. I said state. I'm back in the country. I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm ready to get back to work. Everybody has been asking me, hey, Brandon, where you go? What have you been doing? And I told you guys, I'm looking for another environment to be in. Like right now, I am at the point in my life to where I feel like I'm stagnant. So I have to go through certain things. And one of the things is trying to like change my environment. And it has nothing to do with like Philly not being good enough for me. I love Philadelphia. I'm so glad to be back in Philly. But I just want to explore. Like I want to travel more, which you're going to see a lot more traveling. I want to not just network with buyers via WhatsApp or just over Zoom, Google Meets. I want to be able to like meet people in person and actually do deals in person. So I have a bunch of things planned. But if you haven't watched the videos, watch the videos of when I was overseas. I filmed some content for you guys. One of the biggest things that I took from that trip was that we have to be grateful where we live, bro. Like the states are awesome. Like we're so privileged, we're so lucky, and we gotta just embrace it. Now, I used my AirPod Pro Maxes, the replicas, on my trip, and we got to talk about it. Like my Gen 2 AirPod Pros, they worked awesome. I left my original ones. This is the story. I left my original ones home by accident, and I had a pair of replicas that were in my car, and I just used them. And I'm not gonna lie, they worked fantastic. Didn't have any issue. But I also had a whole bunch of orders coming and shipping out while I was gone, and I was just amazed and happy that everybody is enjoying it. If you don't know, we do sell replicas on CWplug.com, but like we had replicas being sold, but also electronics, and I'm just excited. I need you guys to send me your reviews, whether it's bad or good. Send them to 445-500-9600 so I can post them. I don't care. Like, send me any type of review. Like, send me a picture of the package. All of that, guys. And yeah, so let's go and see what package we have. Right. Oh, this thing is heavy as heck. Whoa. I gotta roll this in. Hold on, y'all. Okay. It's in. All right, so let's open this up. It was hard to do it with one hand. Crap. All right. Ooh. All right, some more of these. Okay, so we got some more of the AirPod Pros. I think these don't look like Pros, do they? They look like wireless earphones. But this is how all of the replicas come, guys. They come like this. So what we do is we get these boxes from a distributor I have in New York, and they sell these earphones, TWS earphones there, but they don't sell them in this packaging. So they give me the packaging. My guys shrink wrap it. This is how your AirPod. This is how you know you got bad AirPod reps when the the shrink wrap looks like this on the AirPod replicas. Look at how this shrink wrap looks, and then look at how it's going to look when we open the real AirPod replicas. A lot of you guys get the replicas and the shrink wrap looks like this. Just horrible. It never should look like this on the box. I'm going to show you guys exactly how it looks. We're going to unbox one of these. Let's go. I'm in the kitchen, y'all, because I actually have to go open the store in a second. So we're going to have to hurry up. Okay. So we're going to open this. Okay, so There we go. Okay. There they go right here. Here are the AirPods. Okay, here they are. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the wrap off. And there you go. The AirPod replicas. Okay. Beautiful packaging. This is actually the new packaging. And it comes with the FCC as well. Information, of course. All of the information we need. Perfect. So now I want to make this clear. They do come like this, and they come like this only so your packages don't get stolen. You open them, and then they're sealed AirPod Pros, Gen 2, of course. Please, I have some people that don't even open them. They just ask to return. They're like, oh my God, no, this isn't what I ordered. But this is how they come, okay? Now, one thing I want to say when it comes to the AirPod replicas, guys, and it's like really driving me crazy if you guys don't see, like I'm starting to get gray hair, is we have to understand where we want to profit from these. And let me tell you the platforms you can easily list these AirPod replicas on. You can easily list them on OfferUp. You can easily list them on MERCARI, Facebook Marketplace. My main thing is this, even eBay. My main thing is this. Please, if you're going to list the AirPod Pros, make sure that you're doing it the right way. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I don't sell these as regular real AirPod Pro Gen 2s. I try and let them know it's a replica because you want to avoid chargebacks, people return it, and also your account's getting banned. So it's important that you tell the truth. Like I'm just telling y'all, just tell the truth. Like I will always show you guys updated ways to list these so they don't get taken down. But eventually, guys, we're going to have to stop trying to take shortcuts as far as, I mean, I'm talking to the people that try and ask me or always ask me, hey, Brandon, I like to just tell them it's real. And if they don't say anything, then they don't say anything. Yeah, but then when it ships to them and then they realize it's not real, or they go, because this is what they do with these replicas, and if they already look at the price and like, something don't seem right, but I'm going to get it, they'll take it to the Apple Store. No replica will pass the Apple Store's test. No replica. I'm just letting you know that. I'm letting you know that now. Any replica that you get on this planet Earth is not going to be able to fool Apple, of course, right? So you just want to make sure that you try and be as honest as possible, because that's going to put you in the right position, okay? I promise you, I promise you guys, okay? Be smart and be honest, because integrity is really, really important, okay? Next, when you get the AirPods, list them right up, okay? Now, we sell them for $4. You can get them for $150. 6, I believe, is $267, and 12 is like $365, I believe, okay? Those are the roundabout prices, but you're getting them for $38 each if you get 4, and then you're getting them at a discounted rate when you buy more, okay? That rhymed. But I'm telling you, the replicas are in. I'm so excited. I did have a unboxing. I'm trying to think, should I do another unboxing? Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do another unboxing. But I do want to shout out some of the order numbers that have ordered, so I'm going to do that now. Shout out to order 1004 for getting the USB-C adapter, the USB-C lightning cable, and also the AirPod Pro replicas. Shout out to order 1086 for ordering 12 AirPod replicas. Shout out to order 1055 for ordering 12 AirPod replicas. Shout out to 1054 for ordering 6 AirPods. And then shout out to 36. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, 1036. I appreciate you guys. And they ordered 4 AirPod replicas. So understand, you guys can get these. It's just all about the process. And I just want to thank you guys, man. I try to shout you guys out whenever I can, because I do appreciate it. I really do. So thank you guys for the support. And I hope that you guys continue to make this money. I do have repeating buyers, so I already know. And I have people sending the testimonials, and I do a video with the testimonials soon, so you guys can actually see some results people are getting. And again, you can get the results too. They are sealed. Okay, so it's really, really hard for people to steal these. When you have people that couriers like in UPS, USPS, they are not going to open this. They're just going to look at it and be like, oh, headphones, cool, right? They're not going to see that they're AirPods. So it's all about being smart, moving smart. You can get these at cwplug.com, but it's not about that. It's also about you getting replicas that are going to last and replicas that are not going to get you refunds. We do not want no refunds, guys. So let's be smart. Let's do our due diligence and make sure that we are putting ourselves in the best position to make this money. All right, so we're gonna package 12 of these in this box. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, 11. Can we get the last one in? Come on. 12. Perfect. All right. Got it in. All right, good. So, boom. Put the bubble wrap in and we're good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cool. Okay, guys, so it's late at night. I ended up heading to the store. I had to actually go for an emergency, but before I left you guys with this video, I wanted to actually talk to you guys about exactly 5 tips you can use when selling replicas that will help you 10x your business, also help you avoid getting banned, avoid all issues. So my first tip is going to be honest, okay? And I know I speak about this and I try to keep preaching it throughout my videos because it's important, but integrity in business is, I think, one of the biggest keys that we need to hone on as entrepreneurs. Whether you're a new entrepreneur, whether it's just a side income. I know a lot of people ask me, do you tell them it's replicas? Should I tell them that it's replicas? Should I tell them that they're original? Let me ask you this, right? If you were on the other side and you were the person buying the product, what would you do? Now, I do understand that some of us have the mentality that, you know, the price is already cheap, so you should already know that it is not real. And I agree with you. I agree with you in a perfect world, but that's not how people operate, and people usually try to get over. And I think we start to self-sabotage ourselves online, especially with the replicas, when we are scared to not say that they're not original. Now, hear me out. Let me explain. A lot of us, we list them as just AirPod replica Gen 2s, and some of us put Apple, right? And we preach that they're original, and then when the customer gets them and goes to Apple and finds out that they're not, they then want to return them. We put ourselves in that position because we said they were Apple. So what I would recommend is don't say that it's Apple. Just let them know that they're Pod Pros or whatever name you want to call them. If they ask you if they're original, tell them, listen, these are not original. These are the best replicas out. Or you can say, I don't know, but I'm telling you right now, do not just lie to them and say that they're original. You can say you got them as a gift. There's so many different ways to say how you obtain the AirPods or how to override the objection or the question of if they're real. But if you lie, you're going to find yourself just automatically getting the chargeback. Like, that's just how it works, okay? Next tip, the second tip is stop being cheap. Invest in your products. If you buy some cheap AirPod replicas, 9 times out of 10, the customer is going to have a bad experience. The customer has a bad experience, they're going to want to return them. The customer wants to return them, they take your money. Your money's taken, you did everything for no reason. Sometimes they don't even ship them back. So you lost your money, lost your product, all because you wanted to be cheap in the first place. A good replica is going to cost you around $38, around $27, $25 if you're lucky. That's what a good replica is going to cost you. It's not going to cost you $5, $10, $17. Those are all replicas that were made cheap. I'm telling you. Okay, the third tip, make sure the replicas that you get have key features such as Find My iPhone, where they can find the AirPods on the iPhone. Make sure that they have the working Siri, where they can say, hey Siri. Make sure these components are always equipped on your replicas, whether you get them from us or whether you don't. Make sure they're equipped. I'm telling you now, because these are features customers are looking for, and if they go missing and they're not with the AirPod replicas, people start to get really, really upset, and again, want to get their money back. Okay, now my fourth tip is packaging. Make sure that you guys are packaging your AirPods safely. I like to put another type of headphone cover over the AirPod Pro, because it's sad, but people open packages all the time and look for, oh, this person's shipping AirPods, let me just steal them. And then if you don't have insurance on the package, customer doesn't get it, you tell the customer to go through UPS and they don't, and then guess what? They want their money back. And it sucks, guys, but you have to package the AirPods correctly so that you are operating and moving as discreet as possible so you don't lose any money. Because that's really, really important, not to lose money. And lastly, pricing. The pricing of the replicas is very important because the pricing tells a person a lot about your replicas. Now, what I'm not telling you to do is to list your replicas as $250. I used to do that back in the day. I listed my replicas for like $200, $175. Now I would recommend you listing your replicas for around $120, $125. That gives you a good profit, but it also gives that customer a deal. It also makes them feel like they're buying some type of quality. If you try and sell them for $60, $80, they know they're replicas. They're going to try them out when they get them. They already know they're fake. And please don't say that you listed them as Apple AirPod Pros for $80. Yeah, they're going to buy it. And I'm going to tell you what they're going to do. They're going to buy them. They're going to test them. If they don't like them, they're going to return them. They're going to say they're fake, and they're going to just play on that. So I'm telling you, pricing is very important, guys. Make sure you price your AirPod replicas correctly, and you'll be fine, guys. So I'm about to take it down. I'm going to upload this tomorrow morning, and I hope you guys continue to just thrive and make the money work for you. You can get the AirPods at cwplug.com. You can get wholesale electronics there as well. No EIN, no business needed. Get your wholesale products now. And I can't wait to see you guys at the top because it's too crowded at the bottom. Peace. I am tired. Peace, guys. I'll talk to you guys.